Hi kids. Hello. So this screen, this image is for you. So it is just saying hello. I hope you are doing well. Correct? No? You are doing good and you are safe at home too. Correct? Okay. So for Tamil Nadu, all over Tamil Nadu, we have got red alert due to the cyclone. Correct? So what we have to do? We have to stay at home. That too safe. So now today it is environmental studies, correct? So the subject is environmental studies. So today kids, today the one thing I would like to say is we have started term 2 lessons, correct? Term 2 portions we have started, chapter number 8 we have started, that is going places. And we have already completed that. So I would like to tell you one more thing, that is we are going to continue term 1. Term and portions, last 2 lessons we have left out, no? So like I'm going to continue that. Chapter number 6. Okay. So shall we start with the term 1 portions? Shall we continue and complete it? Okay kids. So this is term 1 portion. Kids, what is this? Yes, this is all clothes, isn't it? The design clothes and all. So you might be thinking, why ma'am is showing like this, such clothes and all? So because it is nothing but today this lesson is about clothes. So the whole chapter, what are today I am taking classes, the whole chapter is about clothes. Okay, so you are going to learn about clothes, fabric. Chapter number 6. Okay, chapter number 6, and it is clothes we wear. Okay, this chapter number 6 and the chapter name is clothes we wear. So you all like clothes, no? If you go out with your parents for shopping, especially for birthday dress, Diwali, festivals and all, what you will do? First main thing that will come to your mind is clothes. Correct? So we all love clothes. Correct? No. So new dresses means, who will not say no? We want new dress, isn't it kids? That to design, colors and all. So we all love to wear new clothes. Correct? So now in today's lesson you are going to learn about fabric. Fabric means cloth. So you are going to learn about different types of cloths. Okay, that is fabric. So here chapter number 6, clothes we wear. So this is a chapter, this is the first page of chapter number 6. Okay, it is fabric types. All of you open your term 1 book. Okay, don't forget to open your term 1 book and open page number 81. It is page number 81, clothes we wear. Okay kids, I hope you all have opened your book, and take all your accessories which is required. Keep next to you. Here, fabric types. So today you are going to learn about fabric types. Fabrics is nothing but clothes. See here. So this is a activity. It is PEP activity. First one, identify the clothes. Use the words from the help box to fill in the boxes below each picture. Here they have given you 2 pictures. It is figure 1. 2 pictures is to be seen here. And here they have given 4 options too. Can you all see this? They have given 4 options too. So we are going to identify what is this? Identify the clothes. So you are going to identify clothes. What this both clothes are? Okay. See here. Now I'll read it one more time. Identify the clothes using the words from the help box to fill the box which given below. Okay. Boxes below given the picture. Here they have given you the image. So here they have 4 options too. So by looking at this picture, what can you identify? What type of a cloth it is? Identify the clothes. See here they have given shorts, sweater, skirt and hat. So what is this? Exactly. This is a sweater. So in which time we wear sweater? So when you feel very cold, by that time, winter time, isn't it kids? When you feel very cold, in rainy seasons also we all wear sweater. In summer season, do you wear sweater? No. In summer seasons, we won't wear sweater because in summer season it will be too hot. Correct. And now identify this cloth also, kids. What is this? Yes, this is a shorts. So it is here. Shorts, and this is a sweater is here. So now decorate both these clothes. So now what you have to do? Decorate both these clothes. So if you keep this one above here, it will be what? Sweater and shorts. It will be like coat and shorts. It won't look like sweater. It looks like coat and shorts. Correct. So when you decorate, so when you wear shorts as well as sweater, it looks awesome. Right. So that is what here they told. Decorate both these clothes. Okay. The next one. See here. We wear clothes all the time. Clothes protect us from the cold, heat, rain, dust and dirt. Clothes also make us look good. Here what it is we wear clothes all the time. Of course, we all wear clothes. Cousin, without clothes, we cannot step out from room itself. Correct? No. We feel shy. We must wear clothes. And clothes protect us from the cold, heat, rain, dust and dirt. Exactly. Clothes, we have to wear clothes. It protects us from cold. When you feel cold, what you will do? You will wear sweater. So that is a type of that is also a cloth. Heat. So when it is sunny, so you will not wear dresses, you will wear clothes, isn't it? You will wear one slim banyan or shorts like something. Inside house, you will wear and you will walk. If it is raining also, you will wear overcoat. Correct? No. Overcoat and a muffler. When you are feeling cold, muffler, socks, gloves. All those things when you feel very cold. Correct? No. So these are the main things when we use in rainy season, winter season. Correct? No, kids. And for dust, what you will do? So if your mother, she's driving a bike, like what she'll do? She'll use gloves, no? Correct. She'll use gloves, she'll wear helmet and she'll wear mask. So we can protect ourselves from clothes. Correct. And clothes also make us look good. Yes, we look beautiful, awesome. Correct? No. So if we wear designs, new clothes and all, what will happen? Of course we'll look cute. Correct? No, kids? Here, we wear different types of clothes. Our clothes could be made from different types of materials. We wear different types of clothes. Correct? No, we wear different type of clothes. For your main year home only, you can just see. Your mom, she wears different. And you wear different clothes. Your sister, your father, grandfather, mother. So it does different types of clothes. Correct? No, kids? Here, our clothes could be made from different types of materials. So here they are telling about clothes. We have different types of materials. So here, the material used to make cloth is known as fabric. See here, the material used to make cloth is known as fabric. Okay, I told you, no, fabric is nothing but a cloth. A material used to make a cloth is known as fabric. Fabric can be cotton, silk or woolen. So in fabric we have cotton. So you like cotton frock you will tell, cotton shawl, dupatta you will tell, and cotton shirts, t-shirts like this and all you will tell, no? And silk saree and silk pattu pavada and all you will tell, no? Correct, no? And woolen is about sweater, gloves, muffler, socks. Correct, no? So these are the fabric. So we have different types of materials. In this lesson, you are going to learn more about fabric. See here, not just our clothes, but the curtains, bed sheets, socks, handkerchiefs that we use at home are all made of different types of fabrics. Exactly, no, kids? So it's not just about our clothing, what we wear. It is about the curtain. You can observe the curtain, bed sheet, bedspread or blankets, socks which you wear for your leg, handkerchief. So all these things. So you can see handkerchiefs. It will be small. Correct, no? In handkerchief also we have different types. So one will be cotton, one will be very soft. Correct, no? Like this woolen. So like this in kerchief only we have. So in bedspread sheet. So in pillow cover, your floor mat, sofa cover and all, it will be made up of a cloth. Woolen also will be there. Correct, no kids? So we have so many different types of fabric at your home only. You can just observe it. So if you glance at, you will get to know what all the cloths it is there. See, what is this? Can you identify what is this? Yes, this is a cotton. What is this? This is a cotton. So in fabric, there itself you saw no cotton, silk and woolen. So I am just going to give you a small explanation about the different types of fabric. Okay. So this is a cotton. Here, what is this? This is a cotton cloth. Okay, can you all see here cotton? This is a top. So this is cotton. It is a pure cotton. This is also white shirt made up of cotton. Okay, this is a cotton. So this is a kids wear. This is also made up of cotton. It is cotton. It is a cotton frock. Okay, so till now you saw about cotton. So now you are going to learn about silk. So this is a silk. So you all know what is silk, no? So your mom, she wears silk saree. Even you also wear pattu pavada and all. Correct, no? And boys wears pattu vesti. So these are there, no? Boys, gents. So all wear pattu. Correct, no? So here, silk. This, see, can you all see this? Silk saree. Correct, no? So if you don't see this, if you have not seen this, that is not a problem. You can ask your mom to show. She'll show you the cotton and silk, woolen. So all these things you can see at your home itself. You can ask your mother. So if you feel cold, you'll wear a sweater. You can just touch the cloth and you can see. So like how it is. And silk saree also, and as well as cotton fabric also. Okay. See, this is all called silk. See. Pattu pavade. You all have this, no? Pattu pavade. You wear this, no? For festival times and all festival functions. Correct, no? Yes. So now we are going to look about what is this? What is this, kids? Yes, this is a sheep. So how do you get woolen? How do you get wool? Yes, it's from sheep. Okay. See, like this. This is the way they remove the wool from the sheep. So can you see the difference? See, this is how they remove it. Okay. From this only they'll prepare what? They'll do a sweater. Okay. Some they'll do from their hand. They'll take a woolen thread and they'll see from hand itself. So some they'll do from machine. See, this is the way they remove the wool from sheep. See, this is a woolen. See, this is a woolen threads. You all know, no? Your grandmas and all, they'll do this. They'll sieve it from the hand itself. Correct, no? Sweaters and hat and all they'll do. See, this is a woolen sweater. This is a pure woolen sweater. And this is the gloves too. So, by this corona times and all, you might have seen. Your parents, your uncle and even you too have worn this, no? Gloves and all. So now this is the time to wear sweater. Correct. Why? Because we feel very cold. So the outside the climate is also very cold. So this is the right time to wear sweater. So this is a woolen sweater. Okay, kids? So now here. So here today, till now what we did? So, you went with the fabric. So, we went on with the fabric and we learnt about fabric types. So, we have cotton fabric, silk fabric, woolen fabric. These are the things, basic things. Correct? No. So, you all like cotton because cotton it is good. Silk also it is really good. It will be very soft. You all like that. And woolen also it is very soft. Correct? No. So, each materials has different types. In cotton also we have a soft cotton and it will be like buffy you'll tell, no? So like that it will be, one will be very, it keeps poking us. So we have in cotton only, we have different types of cotton. In silk also we have like that. In woolen also we have normal woolen and one is high quality woolen. Like this we have. Okay, come.